Picking up from last time where we talked about the data store and protocol buffers, today we're going to be talking about the dependency injections. As I mentioned last time, the dependency injection is Hilt, a Java library which is based on Dagger, which is another Java library. So what are dependency injections, you might ask? Well, here's an example. Well, imagine you have a class, game, that creates instances of game. And imagine that your code utilizes the class game. That means your code is dependent on said class. That means you would know how to instantiate the game class in order to have instances. So what it means to have a dependency injection is that you can declare the types of instances you need in your code without having the definite class. That is where Hilt comes in. Now there are two examples of dependency injection. As you can see here in the data store module, there is a function. It says provides user preferences data store, and there is another one here in the data Java and then DI. It binds user news resource repository. The difference between provides and bind is that bind knows how to create the instances that you need. So for here you see that there's not much code inside, but compared to the provides, which is you can customize and you have to write your own code for what the instance has. So you can see here in the data module, this is provides. And inside we have context, IO dispatcher, scope, all of these that the bind does not have. You can see here that the install in, you can see the package, just dagger.hilt. It's an annotation that declares which components of the annotated class should be included in when Hilt generates the components. The generate, it's generating the instances that your class needs. This may only be used with annotated classes annotated with @module or @entry point. So what we covered today is dependency injections and the Hilt library. Dependency injection is used in all sorts of projects, not only in this one, and it is very commonly used within Java programming too.